Hello guys, ngayon kukuha tayo ng main engine performance data. So isi-share ko sa inyo ang procedure ng pagkuha ng main engine performance data. Simula dito sa monitor ng PMI hanggang doon sa local site kung paano tayo kukuha ng main engine performance data. So sana samahan nyo kami habang kami kumukuha ng performance data. Okay guys, we will take main engine performance. So the first procedure is to click maintenance. Then after maintenance, the run wizard is displayed. Now click the run wizard. Now PMI calibration is blinking. Waiting for sensor to be connected to the local side of main engine. So we will take a look at the local side. So now guys, the sensor is connected and ready to measure. Click next. Now this is the Pmax of cylinder number 1. Now, the main engine local side sensor is transferred to cylinder number 2. And now we have the reading at cylinder number 2, and this is the figure. So the local side is transferring to cylinder number 3. Now ready to measure at cylinder number 3. So the measuring of cylinder number 3 is completed. So we have the figure here, and this is the reading of cylinder number 3. Now it's time to transfer to cylinder number 4 for measuring the Pmax and Pcom. And we have the figure of cylinder number 4. And we have the figure of cylinder number 4. So it's time to remove the sensor and transfer to cylinder number 5. Now the measuring of cylinder number 5 is completed. So we have here the figure, and we have here the figure of cylinder number 5. So it's time to remove the sensor and transfer to cylinder number 6. So cylinder number 6 is ready to measure. Now guys, the measuring of cylinder number 6 is in progress. And measuring of cylinder number 6 is completed, and we have here the figure, and also we have here the RPM. So the measuring of Emax from cylinder number 1 of main engine to cylinder number 6 is already completed. So it's time now to remove the sensor from the local side, so that we can save the data from this computer and transfer to USB, and then uploaded the data into the computer for. So now guys, as you can see, the sensor is disconnected. So it's time to proceed. So please click the next. This one. And now the comments is displayed, so we can put any comments. Example, the date, the time, and position of the vessel. This is underway going to Casablanca. So now we are entering the comments. The date now is 28th January. So now guys, the comments is completed. So it's time to click the finish. So this is now the finish button, so we have to click this one, and the measuring is completed. So if you want to check the display, so we will go to measurement, this one. So now the figure is already uploaded in this display. So we have here the date, and this is the comments. So it's time now to save the figure from this display. So the procedure to save the data from this computer is first you go to report and click the report, and so click the all, and now click the print. Now the data is uploaded in progress. So guys, the loading figure is quite delay kasi marami tayong data na dapat i-upload. So medyo matagal ang upload natin guys. So now guys, the uploaded is completed. So it's time to click the preview. This is the preview button. And we will go to PDF. So the data is exported to PDF. So guys, at the upper bottom of this display, so we have to click this one, and export. Now the PDF export option is displayed. So it's time to click OK at the below the bottom side, and click desktop so that the data is saved into the desktop. Now we have to put the file name. So now guys, the file name is completed. So we have to click the save. So guys, the figure is transported to desktop. So we have to close the display. So minimize this display. So now guys, the figure is already here in the display. This one. We'll check this one and open this PDF so that we can see the figure. So this is the figure that being transported into the PDF file. So the data now is already here, so it's time to close. So we have to insert the USB. Okay, and now the file, right click and send to USB. This one. Okay, nandun na. Okay guys, the figure is already transported to USB. So this is the man in action, first engineer Concepcion and third engineer Flores, the number one. Ito guys, medyo serious yan, tingnan mo. Ayan. Kunwari lang yan. So, okay guys, thank you for being with us. Habang carry out kami ng performance ng Miningel. So, I hope you continue follow my vlog so that you will be updated to my next videos. So, say hi. The duty engineer and the man in action. The man in action.